Hello everyone, this is Krista Solar System Limited. Once again, we're here to carry out the 6.2 kVA inverter system installation with 4 units of 240 Ah Indian tubular rugged batteries, about 3000 watts peak PV arrays to power freezer, TVs, lighting points, laptops, fans, charging of phones, etc. Guys, we just arrived at our client's residence. And here we are trying to bring out the solar components for this installation. If you notice, for the past many months now, the fuel pump price has been going up. It has been increased. Is it daily, monthly? We have lost counts. Guys, in this time, it is only the smart ones that go solar. Solar is noiseless.